Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Dongcheng power tools. So today I'm gonna review about this DSB 185 orbital sander. This is the one I am gonna review today. Then first of all, you can see this nice box here, brand name and the power tool and some informations. You can see and here's the details about rated power input 180 watt, orbit frequency 10,000 orbits per minute, and then pad size is 93 by 185 millimeter, net weight 1.7 kilograms. So they mentioned in here this is 220 volt operating machine. So let's check this out. Same as always, the operation guide and couple of carbon brushes. Here's the machine, brand new one with 13 ampere plug top with a fuse. Okay, there you go. The orbital sander, the pad, there is some information you see, serial number and 220 watt 50 hertz 180 watt power consumption, and 93 by 185 millimeter pad, number of orbits 10,000 orbits per minute. So once you're gonna work, you have to pull the trigger out and then insert the sandpaper like this. Look, and once you tied up the sandpaper, so you can push it again in and work properly. This switch is a bit tough because there's a dust protection switch, and machine is solid and bit heavy. I think Dongcheng machines are actually very reliable according to me. And thank you for watching. I am gonna give you another video on how to work with this. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also, and like the video. Bye bye.